Hello everyone, welcome again to Wednesday Words. We're in a series on the season of Lent. We're entitling it Preparing for Growth. Last time we began to take a look at a man named Asa in the Old Testament. And he was the king of Judah who led his kingdom to seek God. And we ask, what does it mean to seek God? Well, in 2 Chronicles 15, verse 8, we read, "When Asa heard these words and the prophecy of Azariah, son of Oded the prophet, he took courage." He was encouraged. He removed the detestable idols from the whole land of Judah and Benjamin, and from the towns he had captured in the hills of Ephraim. He repaired the altar of the Lord that was in front of the portico of the Lord's temple. So here we see Asa doing two primary things to get his people ready, prepared to grow. We'll look at the first one today. And that is, Asa realized he needed to get rid of all the things that were preventing his people from drawing close to God. The detestable idols, the false idols, and the temples that were built up all around the land. He got rid of all those. He was cleaning out his kingdom and making space for God. Well, our lives are a lot like a kingdom. We all have kind of a dominion over our bodies, our time, our money, our work, our homes. And sometimes our kingdoms get cluttered up with false gods, with idols, with the things and people, good things that we so easily put in place of God. And so preparing for growth for us means that we need to just simply agree with God about finding those things and confess to Him and hand over again the dominion over our lives to Him, that we might draw closer to Him and experience that closeness and intimacy. He never leaves nor forsakes us. He's always there, but we don't experience Him the way we want to because of those things that prevent us from doing that. There's some things we can do practically that will help us with that. One is something we're probably not very familiar with or good at doing as Protestant Christians, and that is fasting. Releasing something that might have gotten a hold over us. Might be something as simple as food or television. And it's not just about getting rid of the cultural idol of television, but it's again making space and time to commune with God, to enjoy the intimacy that He so desires to have with us and desires for us to have with Him. Matthew 7:7-8 reads, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks," and the verb really here is keeps on asking, receives. Everyone who seeks or keeps on seeking will find. And to him who knocks, the door will be opened. Jesus Himself said, "Seek first His kingdom. All these things will be added to you." And so let's sing that beautiful, simple little praise chorus, "Seek ye first." I learned this song in youth group in the 1970s. I think you know it as well. Seek ye first. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and
God.